So today with Leaky Liz, she's up in the air. We've got to do some work. We got this rear axle seal is gone and this rear cylinder has been leaking a little bit. So we got new brakes in here. We got new drums to go on. So new pads, new drums, fix the axle seal. And then while we're doing all this, I just started prepping some WD-40 on all the nuts. We're going to be putting a bushing set in, and we're going to be replacing the fulcrum joint because that is gone. And we just hope these bolts come loose at the back there. If not, we're going to have to cut them out. So yeah, full poly bushing kit, which we're going to be installing. We just got a delivery today. I've already started taking stuff off. That's the pan hard. So we're gonna press these out. And we got a polybush kit from the UK. And we got a full kit. This is what you get. We went with the orange dynamic. So just a little bit stiffer than regular stock. We have a high 40-degree extra fulcrum because we're going to be doing a little lift on this anyway. That has bolts ready to go, and yeah, we'll see how we get on. The 12-ton press I've got is too small, so we're going to be going and getting a bigger one, and then we'll see how it goes. Take these wheels off here soon, and yeah, big shout out to LR Parts for shipping all my parts to me. We had an issue with the delivery that came in with the axle and the brake kit. It was missing some parts and they jumped straight onto it. This is over the Christmas break, and they got everything that was missing out of the box to me, including the axle nut tool for the removal. So we'll get it going. So we just purchased a new 20-ton press to do this job for the bushings replacement, and we've already pressed the bushings out with the pan hard rod. So now we're going to be putting the polyurethane bushes in from Polybush in orange for the dynamic steel. Once we, I gotta clean this mess up now. But we're going to be sending them through the sandblaster, painting them up, and then putting the bushings in. And we'll have things going back on pretty soon. And big shout out to LR Parts again for getting everything to me. We're just waiting for 2 more bushes to come in that I missed out of when I ordered everything. And we'll have it ready to go. Off and got a new paint rack set up and etch primed already. I'll go get some blue paint. First coat. See how it looks.